Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Lydia and I'm from TBI3 class and in 4th semester. Okay, in this video I will explain about the media that I used to learning vocab, to add my vocab, to explore my vocab, and I use this media because I think it's so helpful for me. And maybe in this video I will explain with Indonesia and with English because I my word and my vocab is not good. I just mix my explanation. Okay, the step 1, I use the media that is handphone. Handphone is really help in this learning because sekarang itu handphone benar-benar, smartphone itu benar-benar paling dibutuhkan, apalagi in online learning. And then di zaman sekarang, zaman teknologi yang lebih maju, itu kebanyakan orang belajar itu learning vocab itu with handphone. And then I will an application that I use to learning vocab is UDictionary. I will use this media for this media. I use smartphone to learning vocab, to learning vocabulary, and I learning more with the application in this smartphone. Okay, the step 1, we have to download the media. We have to download the application in the Play Store. And for the step 1, the first step, we have to download the UDictionary, UDictionary application in this Play Store. In Play Store in our in Play Store in our smartphone. We can search first UDictionary. Okay, we got it, and just download this application. Now we download. We can wait this, and maybe in 10 minutes we can wait. But in my another phone I have download the application, and I will explain more that. Okay, next we move with the application. So after we download the application on Play Store, we can open the application in our smartphone. Okay, UDictionary application. So UDictionary is a light application for translating more than 30 languages without an internet connection. However, to pray, you will need to download additional dictionaries depending on the language you want to know. Using the dictionary, you can learn English in an easy and fun way. So in this English learning application, you can add new vocabulary through the games provided in it. There are synonym game, spelling quiz, and words for today that you can play. There is many of feature on uh, there is so many of many menu of this application. There is in one ajaib, there is magic. In this menu, in this menu this menu is we can translate quick translate quick what someone said. I think it's like conversation, so just like that. And the second menu is camera. Uh, in this application is like we can translate the the text in the picture, and we can sesuaikan with the picture, and yeah, let's translate. Next, next, conversation, percakapan. Okay, in this menu we can use to conversation with someone, just like touch the menu, and we can record what someone said, and just talking enough. Dan juga banyak sekali pilihan bahasa yang bisa digunakan dalam aplikasi ini, seperti bahasa Inggris, Indonesia, English, Korean, Japan, and more than. Okay, next, tata bahasa. Tata bahasa is like we can know how our grammar in this application. We can know what our faults, what our mistake in the sentence, what maybe we kayak kurang to be or something, maybe something kayak penggunaan tenses yang salah. Kita juga bisa menggunakan ini. Kemudian selanjutnya itu ada pilihan, yaitu masukkan kata atau kalimat. Jadi dalam masukkan kata kalimat ini kita bisa langsung cari kata yang ingin kita pelajari bagaimana kata tersebut dalam bahasa Inggris. Contohnya inspire. Di sini tuh itu ada dasarnya, ada verb, benar-benar ada sinonim, contoh kalimat, sinonim, antonim, itu benar-benar semua lengkap. Jadi aplikasi ini sangat cocok untuk pembelajaran vocabulary, because it's so many of ini sangat penting, sangat lengkap. Sinonim dari inspire, antonim dari inspire. And next itu di aplikasi ini tuh juga banyak sekali menu-menu yang bisa kita gunakan untuk belajar bahasa Inggris selain mempelajari vocabulary. Itu ada di sini juga ada quiz which spelling is correct. Itu benar-benar sangat bisa digunakan karena dengan ini kita juga tahu sampai mana kemampuan kita dalam bahasa Inggris, sampai mana kemampuan vocab kita. Itu setiap tanggal, setiap hari itu selalu ada kuis yang yang dikeluarkan oleh U-Dictionary ini. Dan menurut saya, in my opinion, this application is so sangat membantu untuk belajar vocabulary, bahkan bukan hanya vocabulary, grammar, I think listening maybe we can, because ketika kita mencari kata yang ingin kita pelajari, itu ada pilihan sound, dan kita bisa mendengar, we can listening how the native speaker said that word in English. Okay, that's all my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.